My name is George Ferris, and I'm the author of the article America's Retirement Illusion: Why We Need Real Diversification. And I want to talk to you a little bit about the article, give you a quick preview of what's in it, and if you haven't read it, there's a link in the description that will take you directly to the article. Now, there's some stuff going on, and I want to talk to you about it, but I recognize everyone's got limited time, so I'm going to keep this at 2 minutes. You want to think of this as like your 2-minute warning on finance. So I got a stopwatch here. Let's get this started. So right now there's an issue in America. We have what I like to call the illusion of diversification. Frequently people are investing in ETFs or mutual funds and think that they're really diversified. But the reality is most of the market and most of those ETFs are invested in the Mag 7 or the Magnificent 7. These 7 companies have had most of the gains from the United States economy. They are Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Alphabet, Meta, Tesla, and Nvidia. Now they're great companies, but if something bad happens to one of them, that's going to take down the economy, and that's going to take down your retirement account with it. So the reality is, if you're index investing, which a lot of people are, you're probably not as diverse as you think you are. Now, the Trump administration is working on fixing this because these markets, the public markets, are shrinking. Over the last 30 years, there's about half as many publicly traded companies as there were 30 years ago. And that means you have half as many options. So the Trump administration is changing it where you can use your retirement funds to invest in cryptocurrency or private markets. And I'm going to talk a bit about private markets right now. They're great and they're growing a ton, but they're illiquid. And that means that it's difficult to buy and sell in these markets. So we have to think of how we're going to create the liquidity in these markets. And there's a cryptocurrency that's designed for this. It's called XRP. Now XRP is a native token to the XRP ledger. And the XRP ledger is built for instant global settlements, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It can provide liquidity on demand for public stocks, private stocks, digital assets, and also you can tokenize shares, you can tokenize real estate, and it has real-time pricing, and it's easy for access. Now, when you think about what's going on right now, think about the Mag 7, how it's condensed, and we need true diversification, which is private markets, public markets, digital assets, and efficient rails. XRP is not just a bet, it's infrastructure, and it's the future of currencies. That's my 2 minutes. I hope you had a good time. And if I can leave you with a quick challenge, go look at your retirement account, look at what your ETFs are invested in, and figure out if you're really diverse. Have a good one.